Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3 here in Asheville. We're working on a 10 by 40 gallery wrapped reused canvas. And this canvas actually has just a little bit of texture in it. And I'm okay with that. I love texture. I love adding it before I paint. I love adding it after I paint. This has got a little bit of golden coarse molding paste on it. Very, very thin. Let me show you the bottle. I applied it with a palette knife and just kind of scraped it across in areas. I'm going to be doing a swipe today. I'm going to be doing a very, very simplistic swipe. Let's talk about our colors. Our base coat. This is not black. I hope you can see this color. This is yummy. In the bottom of my slop bucket was, about an inch or two of just a beautiful, beautiful blue, almost like a Charvin indigo. Can you see that okay? And then I added to it Atelier Blue Black. This is a lovely, lovely color. I believe I got this from Floetrol Co. And then I add my pouring medium to it, which is about 75% American Floetrol and 25% Golden GAC 800. Usually I have a Liquitex pouring medium in there as well, but I am out of it and it is on its way to me. But we're doing just fine with the Floetrol and GAC. In this cup right here, easy breezy simple, we have 1 part DecoArt satin enamel in the pure white to about 1/3 of a part of golden titanium white. This pigment is very heavy, very intense. You do not need a lot of it. And then my pouring medium, the American Floetrol and GAC 800. Now, you're going to see me pour paint in these little cups. I find, and this is a good hint, when I'm doing a swipe and I want a really nice thin swipe line, I put, about an inch or so of paint in my cup, squeeze the cup, get really close to my canvas and move, a little bit gingerly. The smaller amount of paint in your cup, the easier it is to apply a nice thin line. We're swiping today with damp paper towels, Bounty paper towels, don't you know? Stacked in about 5 or 6 of them. Cut them in half, stack them on top of each other, squeeze my water bottle, flip them over, squeeze the water bottle on the other side, and I just leave them stacked next to me. Sometimes I cut them into different sizes. So that's all I got to share with you. I'm just down here for the holiday weekend. The city here in Asheville is very, very busy, so we opted to just kind of hang out and enjoy the beautiful day. So I'm going to go ahead and put a base coat down and put some swipe lines down, and we're going to fiddle. I'm glad you're here, guys. Let's get busy.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cut on me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh.